In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own e-commerce website for free. The platform that we'll be using for this example is Ecwid. Ecwid is a highly rated e-commerce or dropshipping platform, and you can get started. In fact, you can use it forever for free, as they offer a free forever plan. All you'll need is your email address or your Facebook or Twitter account to sign up. And with their free plan, you'll be able to accept payments, and there is no transaction fee, as you can see right here. This compared to Shopify, which also offers a free plan, but their free plan is a 7-day free trial period. And in that 7-day free trial period, you'll only be able to set up your store. You won't be able to accept payments on the free plan. But with Ecwid, you can do that. The only pullback when it comes onto Ecwid and their free plan is you'll only be able to list 5 products. So you can list 5 products, get your feet wet in the e-commerce market. Once you start getting some sales, you can go onto their paid plan, which starts off at $21 per month. So I want you to go onto ecwid.com, and you are going to tap on Get Started for Free in the top right hand corner. After you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to scroll down until you see Apps. You're going to tap on App Market. After selecting App Market, from the left-hand menu option, you're going to select Drop Shipping. Then from here, you can see different apps that you can use. And by the way, if you would like to do some print on demand, and print on demand is basically when you upload a design, and then from there a company or app will deal with all of the processing, and they will also deal with the delivery and customer care. If you want to do that, you could use Printful right here. It is highly rated. But since we're doing a tutorial about dropshipping, the app that I would recommend you use is Sup Dropshipping. And with Sup Dropshipping, you can use it for completely free. So you're going to install the Sup Dropshipping app. Once you have installed the app, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap where you see Find Product, then you're going to tap on Imported Products. And you can see some products that I've added earlier from AliExpress. So after tapping on Imported Products, I want you to open a new tab, and you're going to go onto aliexpress.com. Once on aliexpress.com, you can search for the product that you would like to add. For example, you can see this one that I had added earlier. Once you have found the product that you would like to add, all you'll need to do is simply copy the product URL. After you have copied the URL, you would go back into Sup Dropshipping, and you would paste the URL right here, then tap on Import Product. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is tap on List It to Store. So you would select List It to Store right there. Then after you have done that, all you'll need to do is you're going to set your price. So you'll tap right here where you see Enter Your Price, and you can set your price, and it will automatically be added to the price of all products. After you have done that, you can go across, you can view the images, you can also view the product title, and you can view the description. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on List It Now. After you have selected List It Now, it will automatically be added to your Ecwid store. Once it has been added, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to hover over Catalog. Then from here, you're going to tap on Products. After selecting Products, you can see the product has been added right here. And you can also see the mock-up images has been imported, as you can see right there. Now, if you would like to view it on store, I could select View on Store. Then from here, we could tap on Shop Now. And you can see it right there. If I were to tap on it, you can see how the Ecwid product page looks, as you can see right here. So to continue setting up your Ecwid store, you can add more products, so you could list out your 5 products, or you could mix it, so you could add a few from AliExpress, and you could also do your print on demand. As you can see that I've added Printful in the past, So Printful is the print on demand app that I was recommending. After you have added the products that you would like to sell, what you're going to do next is, from here you can select design in the bottom left hand corner, and you'll be able to edit your store. So you can change how your store looks. For example, you can set up the size of the product images. You can also set up the aspect ratio. So whether you like your products to be in a landscape mode or portrait mode, you can select that. You can also select the information that is displayed on the product card, as you can see right here. You can also edit the buy now buttons and so on. It is quite easy to customize your website. After you have done that, you're going to select payment. Now, after selecting payment, you're going to connect your PayPal account. And by connecting your PayPal account, this means that your customers will be able to pay using PayPal. You can also set up other payment methods. So for example, depending on the country you're in, you can tap on choose payment method right here, and you will see other payment methods that you can connect. You can also tap right here where you see payment alternatives, and you can see different payment options, numerous payment options that you can quickly connect, as you can see right there. After you have set up the different payment methods that you would like to offer, you can select shipping and pick up from the left hand menu option. And from here, you can set up the different shipping fees that you would like to charge. So you can tap where you see add shipping. Then from there, you can set it up quite quickly. I've done tutorials on how to do that. So once you're finished, that's it. All you need to do now, you can select website right here, and you could select overview, and from there you could tap on edit site, and you could see how your website looks, so you can get a realistic view of how your website looks. Once you're finished editing it, all you need to do is tap on publish site, but mine has been published already, and your website will be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.